Okay, I thought I'd do. This is the third one I'm doing. You're probably not watching this in order, just to make sure this works for sedimentary, because that is the too hard basket. And slow. People familiar with rocks will see that's slate. I guess you could mix it up with the sedimentary shale. I tried to break a piece off and I couldn't, so it's really tough. So it's really strong. Having a look under this digital microscope here, you can see it's just some sort of melted mess. I can't see crystals and I can't really see grains. Normally I'm looking for grains for sedimentary and crystals for igneous. And I can't see either, so it looks messed up. That's my definition of metamorphic. I'll just put a drop of water down here, and hopefully that has landed in the right spot. And what's going on there? Macroscopically, it's not doing anything. Microscopically, it's sort of, is there a crack coming up just there? It's sort of maybe kind of wanting to absorb. It's going to go into that crack there. I don't know. I'd say it doesn't absorb. They use these in the I saw in villages, they use them to make, they stack them up to make walls, and they use the big flat sheets to make roofing tiles, which would be fine because thatch is made of straw and that works, so this would definitely work. Stop there. So no, it's impervious to water. All right, not sedimentary. Ooh, it's going into that crack. Okay, so definitely no broken pieces. I couldn't break anything off. Not gritty, and so I couldn't see crystals. So I'm going amorphous, just nothing. Can't see anything. It's definitely quite hard. I couldn't see vague crystals, so sedimentary. So I think it works. All right. I think we can get to the too hard basket. It seems sedimentary and igneous are usually pretty easy. It's when it's confusing that it's hard. That one's slowly shifting out, which is kind of interesting because it is some sort of halfway in between granite and sandstone, igneous, clear igneous and clear sedimentary. So moving down the table now. So the metamorphic tables, we're going to be mainly looking at foliated. So does it line up, or is it just something that's become blurry? And you can see macroscopically here, if I turn this around, you can see it's got these layers that are starting to form. Maybe they were there already with the sedimentary shale, and they've just kind of melted out or something. Okay, so very fine mineral alignment. Be good to have a number on that. And so it looks like a logo. It looks like a slate. I can't see any banding, and it is foliated. It is got sheets. So it's a measure of how fine it is. Everyone just knows that black fine mudstone is shale to slate, but the charts do match. Okay.